I want to take this opportunity to invite you to test my indicators and trade signals completely free. Let me show you what is available for you at no cost whatsoever. First up, copy-friendly trade signals. These can be copied through TS Copier automatically and transferred over to your account. We also have a crypto channel where you can set up auto trading as well. One click, set auto trading. Furthermore, Discord, down here, my trades that I take on my account, snapshots go in here. These are the ones on Telegram. Over here you have ideas, okay, if you want to manually trade. Daily mentorship videos explaining how to use our indicators and our trading strategy. These go in here. So the trades that I'm taking are explained in the mentorship videos. And of course, full access to the indicators. Try this and see for yourself firsthand how this could completely change the game for you. My website, anthonyfx.com. Take the trial. This is what you gain access to. You don't get billed. You've got 2 whole weeks to enjoy, take your time, and set up a strategy, or just copy my signals. If you decide this is for you after 2 weeks, shout me lunch. That's a sushi train once a month. That's all I'm asking at the moment. To get started, just click the WAP link or the PayPal down here and jump on board. The other option is trade copy. Set it up automatically. It's 2 options. You can use TS Copier or you can save money and I'll organize connecting your Forex account to mine. It's a much cheaper option. Information's on my website. Join us and find out what's possible. Okay, guys, with that, I'll let you do the math and look forward to seeing you in VIP.